I'm Lorna Kleidman for Kettlebell Kings. Let's talk about why the bell hits the wrist when coming into fixation in the snatch lift. Fortunately, there are only two reasons why this happens. The first reason is because the lifter is gripping the handle before the bell redirects, right? So that looks like this, gripping the handle in order to control the fixation. The second reason why it slaps the wrist is because the lifter slows the momentum in order to control into fixation. So as the lifter generates the upswing, they slow it and it inevitably bangs. So it may be counterintuitive, but how we correct those two issues is to release the grip when the bell comes to about face or head height and keep the momentum of the swing going, and then just reach the arm through, punch the arm to the ceiling, and then the bell will go over the wrist and land smoothly. So once the bell comes up to about head or face height, the lifter can release the grip and keep the bell going at that speed, that momentum, and redirect and slip the hand through. So once the bell comes up here to about face or head height, you don't want to slow it down, and you don't have to think about the bell because it's floating at this point. All you need to do is redirect that movement by punching the arm to the ceiling. Don't even need to think about the bell, just think about the arm, slip it through. Okay, so again, face or head height, open the grip, slip it through. Don't slow it, just slip it through. Think about redirecting that momentum. With practice, the snatch will become fun and there won't be any more banging on the wrist. For any questions about kettlebell sport or kettlebell fitness, you can DM me or reach out at lornafit.com. See you next time.